All right. So for problem 41, okay, this is inverse and direct variation. Okay, so I'm going to get myself some space. I'm doing problem 41. So in here, okay, we need to first see. We need to read it. So read it to yourself, okay? And you need to determine what x and y is. I always put y. The first variable that we see is y, and the second one is x, okay? And we have to know what are we using, inverse or direct. So in here it says varies inversely. So we're going to use the formula for inverse, which is y is equal to a over x, okay? And I'm going to change that to the letters that I'm using. So I'm going to say v is equal to a over p. And then I'm going to read the question. In here they give me volume, and in here they give me pressure. So I'm going to substitute those things in, and I'm going to say 240 for volume is equal to a over p. We have 30. So now I'm going to solve for a. The way I solve for a is by multiplying 30, which when we multiply those things, let me get my calculator. We got 30 times 240. We get a, right? First of all, this go away, and I have a is equal to 7200. So this is my constant of variation right here. So I'm going to use this same formula right here, but put the a. So is v is equal to p divided by 7200. Now the question is giving you what is the pressure when we apply this volume, right? So basically we want to know the pressure when we apply this. So in here I'm going to say, well, volume is 160 is equal to 7200 over pressure, and we want to know pressure. So in here I'm going to multiply P, and then this go away, and I am going to have P, or 160P is equal to 7200. We're going to divide by 160. So we get P is equal to, let me do that, divided by 160, 45. So pressure has to be 45. That is the answer. For problem 42, sorry. We're doing the exact same thing. So first we need to know the first variable that we see. What is that? X, Y. So you just label them. Make sure you have a constant label. Okay, so I'm going to say the length. First, read it to yourself. If you have not read it to yourself, read it to yourself. And I'm going to say length is Y and frequency is X. So in here, it also says that we're going to use inversely. So I'm going to use the formula or the function y is equal to a over x, where length is y and frequency is x all over a. And I'm going to use the things that they give me here. They say this is the length of the string and this is the frequency. So I'm going to write that down. So the length is 14, A over the frequency of 450. I'm going to solve for A, so multiply time 450 times both things. 450, and when we have 14 times 450, it gives us, this go away, and I have A is equal to, not 7, sorry, 6,300. After that, I'm going to use this and put it in that equation. So I have length is equal to 6,300 divided by F. Now we read the question, okay? Find the frequency of a 12-inch string. So the length, right, they give us the length here. So I'm going to use this length, to put it here. So I have 12. 12 is equal to 6,300. F, we're going to multiply by F. This go away, and then I have 12. F is equal to 6,300 divided by 12. So I get F is equal to 525. This should be the answer right here. Last problem. In here we get time, and we notice that is, alright, so I'm going to label it, okay? Time it takes to fly to Los Angeles, that is going to be Y. Time is Y, and the speed is X. Okay, so I'm going to label this. It also tells us that we're going to take and use inverse. So we're going to use inverse variation. So inverse variation is Y is equal to A over X. I'm going to substitute those things and say time is equal to A divided by speed. In here, the problem, it gives us time and speed. So I'm going to use that to come up with A. So I'm going to say it takes 6 hours, that's time, if you're going at a speed of 90. I'm going to solve for A, so 900, sorry. 900. When you multiply 6 times 900, we get 5,400. This is equal to A. This go away. So now I'm going to use this and put it here in this A. So I have time is equal to 5400 over speed. So how long would it take if we're going at a speed of 800? So we have time is equal to 5400. We divide that by that, and it takes us 6.75 hours, or is 6 hours with 45 minutes. So this is the answer.